Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So the Solana chart continues to hold the support region that we discussed over the last few days. I think this support area here was added to the chart already over the weekend, yeah? So we've reached this support area first time on Saturday. The price reacted, but only with a very clear 3-wave rally, then another 5-wave decline. So we landed in that support area twice. And we're basically now watching if the price wants to generate a positive response here, or the bulls, if they are strong enough and actually drive the price higher. It would require a little bit more upside momentum to really get some proper evidence that a low has formed in this wave 4. But this is the area where the bulls should show up to keep this wave structure that we've been tracking over the last few days actually alive. Quick reminder. The idea is that this here is some kind of an internal wave 4 pullback with maybe another move to the upside here in wave 5 to come before circle wave 3 actually completes. I mean, you might remember from the last few days we wanted to see one more high in circle wave 3. Well, that actually happened here on Monday, yeah. But to be fair, it was really only a marginally higher high. The price formed another high on Monday at around $168.60, but the market was not able to break above this resistance level there at $168.60. No, we had another pullback, probably also fueled by Bitcoin, of course, you know. But the main takeaway is here we have come extremely close to that next upside target, which I mentioned is the $171 to $172 area. Yeah, the 138% FIB extension is typically the first ideal target for a third wave, but we have not really reached it. So we've come close, but we haven't reached it. So that tells me that we might need to have a little bit more patience. And I intentionally did not add another support area. Yeah, I didn't want to make the impression that we're already in an upside breakout. No, we're you know, as long as we are in a range, I normally keep the support areas where they are. And if we move away from support, the risk gets higher. When we get closer to support, the risk is lower. And now we are back in support. I actually dipped into support again today, and now we have another small reaction. So ideally, and I would prefer that the price at least makes another attempt now to rally in wave 5, possibly to $171 to $172. But the deeper we go, and I'd say if we break below the intraday low, then it becomes more and more probable that this is already circle wave 4. Basically, that we are going to jump 1 wave degree. I would have to assume that we already completed circle wave 3. Yeah, I would have to assume that if we break below the intraday low, at least if it's a decisive break, and then the focus will shift to this support region between $148.60 and $155.97. So overall, the structure is unchanged for now, and I'm watching if the intraday low can hold. Ideally, again, we get one more high in circle wave 3. I would prefer that. And okay, if not, then I have to assume and accept that we're already in circle wave 4. When do I have to change the scenarios here? When do we have to explore something more bearish? If we break below a key level here that I labeled circle wave 4 support, so if we break below $148.60, then to be honest, it will already be deeper than even this wave 4 of the larger degree should be. And then I will have to make probably some adjustments here to the nanostructure or to the wave structure. Those pullbacks then would be deeper than, honestly, it would be ideal. But I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I recommend that you check out our X channel. You can follow us here on X. It's the Morecryptoonline channel. It's got the golden check mark. So yeah, feel free to check it out. I'll be there after the video to answer questions if you have any. And I'll link the channel in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.